Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device runs iOS or iPadOS 17 or later, because Apple permits phone number Apple ID on those releases. Once done, make sure the phone number you plan to use is active and can receive verification codes. Now sign into Settings and tap your name. You must be using the current Apple ID. If you're already signed in, move directly to Account Settings so you can start the conversion. Don't leave this screen until you see Account, Password, and Security. Next, navigate to Account, then Name, Phone Numbers, Email, and tap Reachable at. This is where you manage contact methods and switch to a phone number. You'll tap Add Email or Phone Number and select Phone Number, then type the number you verified earlier. Apple will immediately send a code. Enter it when prompted. Once verified, change the sign-in option to use your phone number. This makes authentication simpler and ties your Apple ID to that verified number for future sign-ins. To finish, sign out of Apple ID on other devices and sign back in using the new phone number so everything syncs correctly. If you see verification errors, first retry the SMS code. Sometimes waiting 30 seconds and requesting a new code fixes it. Make sure Do Not Disturb or carrier blocks aren't stopping texts. If repeated attempts fail, use a trusted device or phone call option for verification, and only then contact Apple support for account remediation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.